call upon the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee members to felicitate him first, then followed by the Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Congress, the MPCC President to kindly felicitate him. Up next, we request district by district to come, starting with, I request the Youth Congress first, please come to the stage. Youth Congress first. The President of the Youth Congress to come forward, please, and felicitate. Now starting with the districts, starting with Ribhoi district, please. Requested President of the Ribhoi district, followed by the West Khasi Hills District Congress Committee. Please come to stage. After this, it will be the Southwest Khasi Hills District Committee. And with the block members, if there are. Then followed by the Eastern West Khasi Hills District Congress Committee. Then I request the East Khasi Hills District Congress Committee to come forward, please. Followed by the West Jantia Hills District Congress Committee. Next, I request the East Jantia Hills District Congress Committee to come forward, please. And the Shillong City Congress Committee.